Stardom, it's a fleeting thing. We have seen stars rise and fall.
बहुत सड़ेली पिक्चर है, मत देखो।
अरे यार दिमाग खराब हो गया, दिमाग की माँ बहन हो गई, सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ।
पर मैं एक चीज में डिसअपॉइंटेड हूँ।
अरे यार reason is just one thing, that is expectation.
Their brilliance fading like a distant echo, but there is something different about the Shah Rukh Khan. His stardom doesn't fade, it lingers. He makes people laugh. He makes them dream, and yes, he even makes them cry.
Sir, I wanna hug you, please.
There are stars, and then there is Shah Rukh Khan. A phenomenon. People doesn't just love him, they worship him. Why? Is it his movies alone? Or something deeper? His charm, his presence, or maybe it's his words.
Devoured by me. And I'm also very impetuous, impulsive, hubristic also sometimes. This is a nasty plot twist.
Today, we are going to dive into why Shah Rukh Khan is not just the king of Bollywood, but also the king of communication. Let's break it down.
Ready.
Do you really think Shah Rukh Khan was born a great speaker? That he had this unmatched charm and flawless communication from the start? Let's break that myth right here. Yes, he studied at St. Columba's School, a prestigious convent school in Delhi. He even graduated with a degree in economics from Hansraj College and started a master in mass communication at Jamia Millia Islamia. Sure, his English was good, but was he the witty, the confident Shah Rukh Khan we know? Not at all. In fact, in his early interviews, SRK himself admitted that he wasn't always the most confident communicator. He had the knowledge, but the confidence and the fluent communication, that was a different story. Remember that iconic Kiran scene from Dar?
I love you, Kiran.
It became legendary, but it also hinted at a young actor still finding his voice, still building his aura. His speech was good, but it wasn't yet powerful and witty force we see today. In those early days, his body language was closed, his smile nervous, and his eyes were searching for reassurance. The Shah Rukh Khan we see now, the man who can command a room with a single glance, who can make global audiences laugh with a sharp joke, that aura, that presence was developed over time. And let's not forget his challenges. He wasn't just battling with stage fright or language barriers. He had real life battles, losing both his parents early, financial struggles and limited resources. But instead of letting these constraints hold him back, SRK used them to push himself further. The lesson here, just knowing English doesn't make you a great communicator. Confidence, charm, and fluency can be learned. No one exemplifies that journey better than the Shah Rukh Khan. What makes Shah Rukh Khan stand out as a speaker? It's not just the pauses, though those are masterfully placed. It's the entire package. His storytelling, body language, eye movement, facial expressions, and even the tiniest twitch of the eyebrow. Every gesture, every subtle shift is intentional, making his speeches magnetic. Today, let's break this down scientifically and logically so you can understand the precise techniques that make him so captivating and how you can use them in your own communication. Ever noticed how Shah Rukh Khan makes an entrance? Whether it's at an award show, a press conference, or even an interview, the moment he steps into a room, the energy shifts. He waves, blows kisses, and even gives a playful thumbs up, as if he's greeting not just the audience but every single individual. This isn't just a habit. It's a well-crafted technique that makes people feel seen and loved. In this clip, from the Jonathan Ross show, Shah Rukh Khan entered with his signature wave, a bright smile and a quick air kiss to the audience. The room immediately lights up and the crowd start cheering. He doesn't just walk in, he makes you feel like you are part of his world. So what's happening here? Psychologically, gestures like waving and blowing kisses trigger feeling of warmth and connection. They convey openness, making the audience feel like they are in on the moment with him. In this clip from his TED Talk, notice how Shah Rukh Khan starts with a light joke, but it's not just what he says, it's how he says it.
I lost both my parents, which I must admit seems a bit careless of me now.
This brings us to a crucial element of his communication: micro expressions. SRK's facial expressions are constantly in sync with his words. Whether he's talking about a serious subject or cracking a joke, his eyebrows and slightly smirk amplify the message. For example, during emotional stories, his brows soften. His eyes appear to glisten slightly, creating a connection with audience's emotion. On the other hand, he switched to humor. His eyes brighten up. He uses a subtle side glance, signaling playfulness and confidence. In his interview with David Letterman, Shah Rukh's control over his pauses and eye movement is brilliant. Right after delivering a humorous line, he pauses, not just with his voice, but with his body.
Want to be the hero of the world.
I calculated till about 106 years.
He stops, holds eye contact, and allows the silence to land before moving on. The science behind it: he uses these pauses strategically to let the audience react. Shah Rukh Khan didn't become one of the world's greatest speakers overnight. He practiced, learned, and kept refining his craft, from his body language to his pauses, from his word choices to his storytelling. Every element of his communication is designed to connect and inspire. That's what you can learn too, whether you are speaking in Hindi or English. And if you are wondering how you too can improve your English and speak with the same confidence and simplicity, that's where the Josh Talks English Speaking app comes in. With easy to follow lesson and practical exercises, it helps you to master not just grammar but also the art of communicating clearly, just like SRK. After all, great English isn't about using difficult words. It's about saying what you need to say in the way that everyone understands. Remember, great speakers aren't born, they are made, just like Shah Rukh Khan. But this is just the beginning. We'll be back soon to break down the techniques of other legends. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing.
क्या सारी स्किल्स होने के बाद भी सिर्फ आपकी पुअर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की वजह से लोग आपको अनएजुकेटेड समझते हैं? अपनी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आज ही ज्वाइन करें जोश टॉक्स का इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स, जो देता है आपको एक सेफ माहौल जहां आप अपने टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग असली लोगों के साथ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, जो आपको बनाता है एक कॉन्फिडेंट स्पीकर। Download Josh Talks English Speaking app today and change your personality.